Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do an update on the Trans Am here behind me. So the last video, if you didn't catch it, I talked about how to install headers on this thing. And a couple of you guys have said, well, why didn't you give an exhaust clip? Like, why didn't you show it when you got it complete? And I have no idea. I should have done it before and after. Anyway, if you guys didn't catch that last video, I'll link it here up above. That's the how to install it. But today, there's a couple things I want to cover. So I'm going to go start the car so you guys can hear an idle clip and maybe some revving. And the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the piece that I put where the Y-pipe was rattling. So this is a cheaper set of headers. I'll probably end up changing this out down the road because I really don't like the fitment of it. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I did to kind of mask the header or the Y-pipe hitting on the bottom of the floor. So anyway, sorry, like I said, I didn't get a clip before. Unfortunately, obviously they're on now, so I can't go back, and I'm not going to go back and take them off. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like now with the factory Catback and catless Y-pipe and Longtube headers. Alright guys, the other thing I wanted to show you was the way I wrapped this. So I wrapped just this section that was hitting the floor with some heat wrap, and then up above I took the factory bolts out of the heat shield and put a piece of coolant hose in between that and the floor. So now it doesn't rattle, make an annoying noise. Not my favorite way to do this, but it works for the time being until I decide to either do something different with the exhaust or go with a different header. Okay guys, so there you have it. It's a quick clip of the car with, like I said, the long tubes that I put on, catless Y-pipe, stock Catback. It actually sounds pretty good. It's quite a bit louder. So for those that, you know, are going with the aftermarket exhaust system, it's going to be really loud. If it doesn't have any kind of muffler in it whatsoever, it's going to be pretty loud. But I wanted to show you guys that piece down below. I know I didn't put it in the last video where the Y-pipe's hitting on the bottom of the floor. Like I said, it's not my favorite fix by any means, but these headers I actually bought them used from a friend of mine. It's something that I didn't know that I was even going to do to the car. I thought I might do something down the road that didn't require headers. Hint, hint, maybe a turbo. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys the video. I appreciate you guys posting in the comments and keeping me honest, saying, what's the deal? Why didn't you post a sound clip? So there's your sound clip, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing that. I got a lot of other things coming for all these vehicles. So if you see something that you like, or you guys want to post an idea, post it down below. Hit me up on Instagram at TWA Motorsports, or email me at twmotorsports@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching, and see what happens next.